Okay, so today we're going to demonstrate the Newbound Network running side by side in two virtual machines, one running Windows XP and the other one running Debian Linux. Both of these virtual machines have their networking set up so that they're under network address translation. Essentially, that means they're running under separate firewalls. With the Newbound Network, we can create a peer-to-peer connection between these two separate firewalled virtual environments using a secure peer-to-peer connection that's built into the Newbound Network. On the Linux side, we started up by invoking it from the command line, and on Windows, we just double-click on the jar file. Essentially, once we started it up, the Newbound Network installs itself, runs as a service in the background, and kicks up a web browser so that you can access it. We log in using the standard username and password of admin and admin. And now on the Windows XP side, we're going to create a new device to represent the Linux environment so that we can connect out to it. Once we've done that, we'll need to do the exact same thing on the Linux side so we can connect the two environments. The Newbound Network uses its own communications protocol to allow devices to find and communicate with each other securely, wherever they may be on the internet, even from behind firewalls. In order to establish a connection between two devices running the Newbound Network, one device generates a key which is manually installed on the second device. Once the key has been shared, the devices are able to communicate directly and securely with one another. In this way, you can build your own private network of trusted devices that are always connected, no matter where they go. Now we can go ahead and create a new device for the Windows XP environment. Once we've done this, we can exchange keys between these two environments so that they can talk to each other. To do this, we'll export the key from the Windows environment and copy this generated key. Through the magic of virtual machines, we're able to paste this directly into the other environment. Typically, this would involve the manual exchange of this information either via an email or a flash drive or some other external mechanism. Now that we've imported the key on the Linux side, we're connected to the Windows XP device. Let's take a look at what this can mean to have two devices connected on the Newbound Network. What we'll do is on the Windows XP side, we'll add a shared directory. Since this is the Linux machine, the Windows device is considered remote. So in order to access its shared files, we'll just go under the Files application and click on the remote directory. There we can see the Windows XP share. Because our devices are connected, double-clicking on that allows us to explore what the Windows XP device has shared. And here we have the transcoded directory that we shared on the Windows XP side. Opening that up exposes the files that are contained in that directory. Let's go ahead and download one of these files and see if it works. And there you have it. Our MP4 file has been safely and securely transferred from one environment to the other using the Newbound Network.